Well, hey there, everybody. This is an overview of what we do when we come to a site to look at the ecosystem health in general. What we specifically do on this research-based approach is first we'll look at the area and just do a walkabout in the pasture, notice things that may be of interest, and in particular look for species of interest for this particular project. Second, we'll do a water infiltration test, and what we're looking for there is how well the soil continues to absorb water. Third, we'll look at ecological indicator checklist. So we're going to score it based on different ecological indicators that we see around us. Fourth, we'll set up a transect and we'll actually count grasses, forbs, legumes, shrubs, whatever we find, and we'll count them along a transect to get an idea of the ratios and the mix of the different species that are at our feet. Finally, we look at anything of interest and make a lot of notes about directional change that we see and what we would expect to see, and it helps inform our future planning for the site. We'll go into each of these in a little bit more detail, but that's overall what we do when we come to a beautiful location like this at this particular late season monitoring site.